TV.
The bouncy bounce. Here we go. It's bounce. Bounce. Just
Move. She's exercising. Get it, mommy. Bounce.
once you get comfortable with this, we're going to add some arms right here.
I had to dance with Leo.
Just bring those arms up, one right in front of the other.
Go ahead.
Nice and
Watch
strong.
the lady.
You got this. All right. Feeling good? Let's do it 4 more times. And 2. Now you're going to bounce it out. Bounce it out. That's it. This is the hip hop.
That's right,
This
mommy.
is where you're going to come to if you
Work
want
the
to
muscles.
dance.
Leo,
I'll meet you right back here. Okay, next move I'm going to show you nice and slow, then we'll do it together. Hop, twist. Looks like this. You hop, you twist the body. Hop, twist. Really lift up high.
now you
That's
can
it.
see me.
Nice. Now bounce it out. You're going to join me nice and slow. Let's go. Take it up. Twist the body. You got this. No one's watching. Stretch it and bounce it. Bounce it out. All right, we're going to try it a little bit faster.
Good,
Are you ready?
girl.
5, 6. Do it with me. Come on. Here we go. We hop.
Leo.
Twist. Twist. Now,
Yeah, girl.
bounce.
Twist.
Leo.
Safe zone. All right, let's try it again. Ready? Here we go. It's a hop.
Leah, exercise, mommy.
Feeling
Leah.
better?